Hey, it's Eran here. This is a quick update and announcement about System.io and their pricing changes. It was just announced in their official Facebook group by the CEO and founder, Aurelian Amakar, about the pricing changes. And there is good news and bad news. So I'm going to tell you the bad news quickly, and then I'll talk about the good news. The bad news is if you are wanting to join the annual plan on the webinar or the unlimited, the price is increased slightly. Not a huge difference, but previously the price for this was $396. Now it's $470 a year for the webinar plan. For the unlimited, the price previously was $828 a year. Now it's $970 a year. If you are already on the webinar or unlimited plan for the annual option, then you have the best price. I would recommend you keep your subscription and you get the best price available. If you are paying month to month on either of these, the price has not changed. It's still exactly the same. So that's all good, nothing to worry about. The starter plan, this is the big news, is now reduced. Previously it was $27 a month. Now it's $17 a month, which is very, very exciting. That means that a lot more people are going to be able to sign up and enroll on this. It's going to save you on monthly costs. And there is a way where you can actually, even though if you're currently on the $27 a month plan, you can still reduce your price. So if you want to do that and you're currently on the $27 a month plan, send me an email to aranbukai@gmail.com and I will give you instructions on how to do exactly that. Now, of course, this is an affiliate link that I will give you, but also I want to share with you that I have some really good bonuses. Number one, I've just opened a private community for System.io customers who use my affiliate link, number one. And I share a lot of advanced strategies and a lot of things there as well. So that's definitely going to be a lot of value for you. Additionally, you can also get a one-on-one tech support call with my virtual assistant team, one-on-one on Zoom to do tech integrations, help you do whatever you need for your time, your challenges, not a group call, it is one-on-one with my team. Also, the price on the annual plan for the starter plan has again reduced. Previously it was $197 a year, now it's $170 a year. So again, if you want to get your pricing updated, if you're on the annual plan, let me know. Email me aranbukai@gmail.com. Now, what I need to know from you is number one, which plan you're on, monthly or annual, and when you signed up. I need to know those details. When is your next renewal date coming up? And I'll give you instructions on what to do next so you can get the best price possible. And when you do that, I will send you the instructions. Once I verify I got credit, I will give you your bonuses, which are going to help you streamline and save time, and I'm going to give you access to my bonuses, which is going to help you tremendously with launching your online business with System.io. That's about it. Very exciting announcement from System.io. Take advantage of it. It's awesome and looking forward to hearing from you. Again, email me aranbukai@gmail.com and I'll help you get the best price. Speak soon.